Got another video for you guys. Sponsored by us.
Literally.
You thought I was gonna say Ikea.
I know, I was like, you better not even say that.
My parents got Camila this little table. Whatever that's called. There's a number. There's that number. Whatever y'all need right there. It came in this box.
Massive box.
And this is the box that's in Ikea.
I don't know if you can tell.
What the fuck? You could have put it on that one right there.
Yeah, oh yeah, we have another Ikea item over here. And it's in that box. But we're only gonna build this one in this video. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I'm hoping this video comes out like a video I wanted to find whenever I was gonna build it on my own. So that's why we're talking, because all the videos that I found were like time lapses, and maybe that's why, because it's easy to make or build or whatever, assemble.
Yeah, but to you, nothing's easy.
Yeah, I mean, I built that buggy over there all by myself. It was so hard, you guys.
That's park right there.
No, I did it all by myself, but I didn't find a video for that one either. If you've never bought anything from Ikea, normally it comes with like 1 billion pieces and then they give you this. It's pretty helpful though. They normally give you like, oh, it's just one sheet? Oh no. They normally give you like a little book, which is like the kind of stuff that we like. You like this, right? With the pictures?
Yeah, I like pictures.
Yeah. Oh, that's you right there.
I wish it was built already, but
it's gonna arrive all wobbly if it's already built. So it looks like it's pretty easy from the time lapses, but like I said, a time lapse makes everything look so easy. So you want to look over it so you can kind of see what's going on?
You building it, not me.
Babe, come on.
No.
Are you kidding me right now?
You say you gonna build?
You don't know how to record, so somebody has to record. I'm the creative director over here.
So allegedly, all you need is a screwdriver. That's what that dude says right there. If you got a question, call. This is the chairs.
Yeah.
Call them chairs too?
Yeah, it's two chairs and a table.
So this is a tabletop. The back of the chairs.
You want to set them on there?
Yeah. Because my fucking supervisor roof.
Can you move that cardboard? Excuse you.
That's a little scratch chair.
Oh my god, of course.
My supervisor roof. Damn.
I'm the project manager right now.
This is the front of the chair, you know?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You won't help me.
Making sure he don't scratch the wall any more than it already is.
Scratch. This is the front. I'm guessing would be this. Like this is the sides of the table. And there's the legs and the other sides of the table. And the chair butts, right?
The seats.
Yeah.
The chair butts. That's funny.
And this is just cardboard. Here's the hardware. Comes with this thing to turn it. And go get a screwdriver.
Okay. What screwdriver? You need a flathead?
Take both just in case.
Oh, easy access.
This is the one that comes with.
Okay. So it's the one tool.
That comes with.
Side slice.
Hello?
Scammer.
I want a free trip by myself.
Where?
I have no other than
The
this my
Bahamas?
social security and my credit card.
At no cost to you.
Then you
Just give that information.
for the level up. We're gonna build a table first.
Okay.
So we need these. Then we need to put
Wait, should I go that way? So, because it's upside down. I'll just stand here.
this thing is gonna go here, not here, because this is where you're gonna go put these to screw it in.
Okay.
So that's just kind of like a, you know,
Reinforcement?
easy. No, just so easy for you to know where it goes. So it goes where there's no hole on the front. So the hole goes the screw with this, and this just the wood. So I'm guessing on this side. I'm guessing.
You know me too well.
Helper, can you give me that?
So he just did the same exact thing to the opposite side?
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna screw this together.
Okay.
So you put this thing right here.
And then you need a flathead?
Just to hold it.
What do you mean just to hold it?
To hold it in place. You see how it's moving? This.
Oh, yeah. So what's the point in that thing, that silver thing? It's gonna stay there or no?
Yeah, to hold the screw in there.
Oh, okay.
To have somewhere to screw into.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got
Because
you.
there's nothing else in there other than the hole.
Oh, okay. I got you. So he's gonna do the same exact thing to the other side.
Okay, now we slide the thing in. So we left this side open so you can slide the tabletop like this. So now you just guide these holes with this and that hole at the bottom. And it's easier to put it like this.
Like laying down?
Yeah, it's easier to slide it in there too probably.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we didn't do that.
So now I'm just gonna screw this side up too. Same way as those.
So at what point do you need the screwdriver?
Yeah, to hold it in here.
I said at what point? Oh, okay. So right now you need it? Okay.
I mean, I don't need it, but it's easier if you hold that screw that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
If you hold it like that.
So why don't you need it?
Because I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. So you're just like holding on to it essentially.
Yeah.
So he doesn't have like a magic trick. He's just holding on to it.
I mean, I know how it works, so. I don't want to go too tight.
Just in case he's like uneven or what?
No, just I don't want to go too tight.
So is he gonna break it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell that the quality is like.
I mean, it's cheap, but it's
yeah,
nice.
I think it was like $20 or something. It was like some super affordable price.
It's really nice.
The shipping was almost more expensive.
The same thing on this side. You get your thing.
It's easier if you put it on its side.
Again, I mean, I'm not the best at doing this, but I mean, it's pretty easy.
Easy. It's easy to you, but when I was like looking on how to assemble it, I couldn't find a video on like how to do it. There was like other tables, but I just like I needed to know. No, they look similar. I think there was like Walmart ones and stuff like that. But I just like wanted to know this exact one just in case they were a little different. I noticed there's a lot of videos on like customizing these. So people actually add like pattern, they paint the tabletops, they paint the chairs, they just customize it and make it look a little cuter. I like it like this, just like natural, like white.
That's your vibe.
That's totally my vibe. And it'll like go with like our kitchen and stuff like that. We are actually gonna customize her kitchen that's in that box. So that'll be a separate video.
So this is what it looks like, the table built.
It looks cute.
Not supposed to be wobbly, so it's good.
It's good. Yeah, solid.
Sturdy.
Yeah.
By solid, it's sturdy.
Oh, okay, like solid for a $20 table.
You can hold some weight though.
Yeah.
I'm better sit on it.
You were not about to sit on it.
I said I could.
Yeah, I'm
If I
not
was
sure.
lighter.
If you were lighter, you could sit on it. Also, could break it.
Again, I don't know what these
Or called
whatever
just the
these are
sides.
called, side piece.
Side piece, ayy.
And then you get the front piece and build it. Same thing.
Oh, okay. It's just like a miniature version.
Yeah, same thing. You're gonna get, remember, the little stick where there's no hole. And same thing on this back side, might as well. And put it in here. Like that. Same thing over here. Oh, make sure you have the slotted on the same side, because you can easily put it backwards, kind of like that.
Oh, okay. I got you. Okay.
So, you know, just saying, I don't know.
Make
If you've
sure it's
never
this
done
way.
it, yeah. Or you could put it like this too, you know,
By accident.
backwards, you know, just slide it on the outside.
So just double check that it's got that slot on the top.
You don't even need a hammer. You usually need a hammer to bang these in there.
Yeah. Ikea's gotten a little
cheaper.
Is it cheaper? A little more considerate with their building process.
So we're gonna put the screws in again. Probably easier if you do it like this. And you get your, and make sure you always have the line on the outside again. Again, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
If you already know how to build this, you're probably like, okay, this is like a little too detailed, but just in case someone's never built something before, aka me, I would look for a video just like this.
What a kid like me.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't gonna find that a lot, baby.
So y'all see how he's holding it? That's what he was talking about earlier.
Just hold it in place, but again, it's probably easier to you with the screwdriver if you've never done it.
So now at this point you don't need the screwdriver because you held it right now, or what?
I don't, but you probably will. Yeah.
I didn't know if you had to screw it like after. Okay, so that's all you need it for. So essentially, if you don't have a screwdriver, you can still build this as long as you hold that.
Correct. But if you tighten it too much, you could break your nail or something. Now we get the seat of the chair. Slide it on here.
The assembly is just like the table, but it's miniature. That it's so funny, isn't it?
And then we're gonna need a back. So like this. And again, the hole's where the screw's gonna go. So you could probably turn it like this. And put your...
You gotta put your, what do you call that? I forgot what we called it. Line thing.
Yeah.
So this is how you would use the screwdriver if you do use it. Just to hold this in place while you're tightening it over here with the tool that it comes with. And we should see that gap right there. Tighten up. There it is. Looks good. One little chair done. Oh my gosh. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh.
Very cute.
Yeah. I love the like natural wood color.
How do I do it? Which pieces do I get first?
Oh, the sides.
What do I do?
You gotta put the little brown sticks on the bottom hole.
Just there?
And on the opposite hole.
Okay.
And then, oh, I guess do the other one. So I'm gonna be telling him what to do in this one. You grab the front part of the chair. Yeah. And then you, oh, it fell. Can you fix it?
It's very loose.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so you go like this. You gotta do the same thing to the other one. Oh.
There you go.
Okay. And then you gotta do those little line thingies. So when you put this in, you gotta make sure that the line is facing out because only one side of this has a line. The other one is just plain like this. And then once it's like this, you gotta make sure it's like even to the top, like parallel with the top. So when you put this through the hole, this has somewhere to go into. So if that makes sense right there.
Yeah. But see, that's where the hole is. If not, it'll be like
If not, it would be like that and you wouldn't get anywhere.
Yeah.
I like how you explained that because I hadn't noticed that. That's one thing I would have had a difficulty with. What?
You would throw it in the trash.
Yeah. You can actually pay someone like locally to build it for you. Yeah.
For real?
But I know.
Huh.
But right now during COVID, they're actually not doing that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's through Ikea though, right? Like you...
Yeah, you add it on
Ikea.
Ikea. Yeah.
Ikea contacts them, right? Not you.
Yeah, not you. During the checkout process, you actually choose if you'd like to get it assembled. But right now during COVID, they're not allowing people to come to your house to assemble it. I guess just safety.
I mean, that'd be up to you, I will say.
I guess, but I think they just don't want to be liable for like recommending someone
That's
and
why
then
you sign
and
up.
then you get sick. I think they just didn't want to deal with that. They had a lot to deal with. They closed their stores. I mean, that's a lot. That's saying a lot for IKEA. But hopefully we'll save you guys money if you watch this video before you buy it and you see that it's not that hard.
If not, hit me up. Pay me.
He's a contractor.
Yes, I'll build it outside, do it for you, clean it up. Or if you have a garage, I'll build in the garage. You ain't even have to see me.
Okay, y'all, he's joking. Don't contact us.
Contactless construction.
Huh?
It's gonna be
Contactless construction. A trademark. At this point, you get the seat of the chair with the white side to the top. You do this, align it right there, even, and make sure it's all the way down. Is it? No, it's not. Over here. Well, it's not. It's uneven, I think, or what I do.
Okay.
Elbow grease. And now, just grab the back of the chair, which is our last piece. Put it on there. Put your little nut in there or whatever. And you put your bolt in.
And if you don't have a screwdriver, just try with your nail. Hopefully you don't break it.
What else? You could hold a coin, like a pen, dime.
I don't know if
it'll fit. Oh, okay, never mind.
What's those butter knife thingies?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you could use a butter knife. You're right. I feel like most people have like at least a screwdriver, but just in case you don't. We're done. I finished building it, guys. I can't wait.
You need to put it on Snapchat now.
Yeah.
Olivia the Builder's
I'm gonna post on Snapchat saying that I did it. I really was gonna do it because he actually left me for a little bit to go do something with his dad, and he came right back. So that's why I had posted that I was gonna build it. Just say ink.
So you said yesterday you was gonna build it. I just need you to help me just in case. But now that I'm here, I can build it, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. If you're here, why not?
Because you said you wanted to do it.
Now we actually made this video and we might help someone out. So there's that. If we helped you in building this table, give the video a thumbs up. And if you're in...
a comment, be like, hey, it helped out.
Yeah. And if you are interested in seeing us build the IKEA like kitchen set, we'll give you guys a little peek of what it looks like because they have a different kitchen. They have two different kitchens. And we got the one with the natural wood. It looks like this, but I'm still debating how I want to customize this one because this one I do want to customize it. Not that much. I think I'm still going to keep it white. And in case you're curious on how to clean this table, this is what it says. Just to wipe it clean with the dampened cloth and a mild cleaner. Hope this helped you guys, and we'll see you guys in another video.
Thank you for watching.
But we're only going to build this one in this video.
We? You said you were going to build it.
Octavio the builder is going to build this one.
Well, now I'm going to build it.
Yes, I'm not.
That story you had right there.
That story I put on Snapchat, Olivia the builder.
I swear to God, you fucking should
I had to talk. Cammy's sleeping, by the way.
What you want me
That's
to do?
what I'm telling them.
You want to build it or not?
Go, come on. You need to sit down and open the box. Yeah, you need a shot of what?
I need the home of a brandy bottle right there.
Just so you don't have to be picking up the box.
It's gonna look like a dollar store table then.
Literally.
101.